My study abroad trip in Australia has been unbelievable. I've made amazing connections. I've met professionals in industries that I never would have met in the United States.
My experience with the UCM public relations students today was wonderful. You know, they were very interested. We always look to America and follow a lot of the trends there, so it's great to see, you know, a group of American students come out and try and learn some things from people in Australia.
Some of the lessons that I've learned from those professionals is you got to think outside the box. It might not just be how much you're putting into your PR, but how much are the people interacting with it, how big of a payoff you get, and how much of that company image actually transfer to the consumers.
Here's the advice I would give to any student, any graduate. It's just go out and get involved. There are opportunities everywhere.
And it's always good to continue learning. The skills that I learnt in PR can totally be applied to public relations. Same with advertising and my digital experience. So I think you can be quite broad with what you're going into next.
I would advise students to do this trip definitely with you earning credits, but also earning credits in like a different environment.
There's so much to experience here. I've only been here for 2 weeks and there's still so much to do.
Just coming here was completely out of this world for us.